Hey everyone, struggling to make ends meet on a part-time job? You're not alone. This video gives you practical tips to budget smarter, even on minimum wage. Let's dive in. Many young adults make these common money mistakes. But here's the good news. You can turn things around. Here are actionable steps to take control of your finances. Want to know where your money goes? Track your spending. Use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or even a notebook to monitor every expense. This simple step is the foundation of smart budgeting. A budget is your roadmap to financial success. Allocate your income to essential expenses: housing, food, transportation, savings, and fun money. Many free budgeting apps can help you create and stick to your plan. Look for areas to trim spending without sacrificing your well-being. Identify subscriptions you don't use, cut back on eating out, and find cheaper alternatives for entertainment. Small savings add up. Life throws curveballs. An emergency fund protects you from unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Even small, regular contributions help. Retirement may seem far off, but starting early is key. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans and contribute regularly, even if it's a small amount. Compound interest will work its magic over time. High-interest debt can quickly spiral out of control. Prioritize paying down high-interest debts first. Consider debt consolidation or balance transfers to lower your interest rates. So, there you have it. Small changes can make a big difference. What are your best budgeting tips? Share them below. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-saving advice. See you in the next video.